Why is breakfast considered the most important meal of the day? An age-old question with a multitude of convincing answers. Grab a cup of coffee or tea, and let's delve into the reasons behind this widely accepted belief. 1. An energy boost. Breaking your overnight fast with a morning meal replenishes your glycogen stores, providing that crucial energy to kickstart your day. This not only fuels your body but also enhances your mental performance throughout the morning. 2. Improved concentration and focus. A nutritious breakfast can be the secret weapon to enhancing cognitive function, boosting concentration, and sharpening memory. By delivering necessary nutrients and glucose to the brain, it helps you stay focused and alert. 3. Nutrient intake. Breakfast is an excellent opportunity to consume essential nutrients such as vitamins, minerals, and fiber. A well-balanced breakfast with a mix of carbohydrates, proteins, and healthy fats promotes overall health and well-being. 4. Weight management. Despite popular belief, skipping breakfast may not be the best strategy for weight loss. A healthy breakfast can regulate appetite, preventing overeating later in the day and contributing to better weight management. 5. A metabolism boost. Eating breakfast can jumpstart your metabolism, aiding your body in burning calories more efficiently. This can be a game changer for those trying to maintain or lose weight. 6. Blood sugar regulation. Breakfast helps regulate blood sugar levels, preventing energy crashes and mood swings associated with low blood sugar. Stable blood sugar levels contribute to overall well-being. 7. Establishing healthy habits. Regularly eating a nutritious breakfast sets a positive tone for the day and encourages the development of healthy eating habits. It also helps prevent unhealthy snacking or overeating later in the day. 8. Improved physical performance. For the fitness enthusiasts, having breakfast can enhance endurance, strength, and overall performance by providing the necessary fuel and nutrients. 9. Mood enhancement. Breakfast can positively impact mood, reducing feelings of irritability or fatigue. A well-fed body and brain are better equipped to handle stress and challenges. And 10. Social and family time. Breakfast can be a valuable time for socializing with family or friends. Sharing a meal in the morning can strengthen relationships and provide a sense of connection. However, it's crucial to remember that not all breakfasts are created equal. Opt for nutrient-dense choices such as whole grains, fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and healthy fats to maximize the benefits of your morning meal. And remember, individual nutritional needs and preferences vary. So finding a breakfast routine that works for you is essential. So, breakfast, the most important meal of the day? It seems the evidence stacks up. Whether it's for an energy boost, improved focus, or simply a moment of connection with loved ones, starting the day with a nutritious meal seems to be a recipe for success.